It is time for a ginormous ColourPop haul. I'm super excited. I tried to open most of these packages to make it a little bit easier to go through everything, so it's not a ton of time just opening up boxes. But I did a large and in charge ColourPop haul. It's probably been a couple weeks now. It took a little bit to get here. It was during the Labor Day sale, so everything was 25% off. So I really wanted to take advantage of that. Most of them are fairly new, but I've seen them in a lot of really amazing reviews and tutorials, and so I thought it was my time to grab some of these things. So I have kind of gotten back to where I'm doing a little bit more makeup shopping. I'm not on a complete makeup freeze anymore, but I still want to be very conservative with my shopping, still doing all my project pans, but I wanted to get some products and do some more reviews and do more reviews in general for you guys. I am planning on doing like a follow-up here in a few weeks after I've really dived in and used these products pretty consistently, and do like a haul review update where I tell you guys what I think about all these products. So the first is this Gimme More palette. This is a pressed powder highlight. I've tried so many of their really cool, innovative, you know, what they're known for, those gorgeous like cream products that they have. So I wanted to get a lot more of the pressed ones to see how they compare. So this is I Like Your Face, so stinking cute. And it has beautiful shades in here. The thing that really caught my eye was this gorgeous orange right here, this peach. I just think that that is such a fun color and very like unique to the highlighter world. So these are some gorgeous, gorgeous shades that I'm super excited to try out. Next thing was this Yesplease shadow palette, and just looks like this. And this has, oh, it's a little messy, but that's okay. This has, what is this, 3, 6, 9, 12 pressed shadows. This is just a gorgeous color selection. I have really been loving, just so, like so many of us have been loving those beautiful warm tones, the sunsetty shades that I kind of refer them to as those beautiful oranges, the reds, the yellows. So I'm super stoked to really dive into this palette and see what this is all about. I will, if you guys are interested, do like a tutorial as well as a review. I think that would be kind of fun, like an all ColourPop tutorial using all these products, as well as like a more in-depth review. You like it? You think that sounds good? I grabbed 2 concealers. So apparently these Nofilter concealers are absolutely outstanding. I got 2 colors. I didn't really know it was going to be the best for me. I got Fair 6 and Fair 4. And they are super, super light, which is awesome. I'm hoping that they're not too light for me. I mean, I'm really fair. 2 of the foundations, again, I didn't know exactly what my color was, and these are so affordable that I figured getting 2 wasn't going to be that big of a deal. I got the colors Fair 01 and Fair 20. So I already know I love these, so I stocked up on them. It is their brow pencils, and they are amazing, and I have been missing mine. They're super, super intricate and thin and fabulous and so inexpensive, and I love that it has the spoolie on the other side, and it's a really great spoolie. It's just, I love this product so much. So I kind of go, I like 2 of the colors. It's not that it like changes, it just, I like both of them, so I just grabbed both of them. So I like Honey Blonde and Dope Taupe, so I got 2 of each to kind of stock up on brow products while they're so inexpensive. Oh, I got 2 Nofilter setting powders. So the first one I got is the translucent one. So just a nice translucent powder. Apparently this is really fantastic for, you know, setting your whole face, baking with. I'm not a huge baker. I haven't really got into that as much because I don't do anything like super intense contour or anything, just like bronzing my face. But maybe I'll get into it, who knows. And then I got the banana powder as well, and I really appreciate that this is a banana powder, but it's not so insanely yellow. So I'm hoping that when it comes off, it'll be good. Okay, so it has the just traditional little packaging there with the sifter. So got those. Oh, I got the All Star Matte Blur primer. I think this is probably gonna be like a silicone-y primer. And then the setting spray. I love this color. How gorgeous is this? So this face setting spray. What are you? Ooh, I forgot about this one. I got a face spray, which is Amethyst Crystal Priming Spray. So shake me up gently, hold at arm's length away from your beautiful face. Oh my gosh, and spray, spray, spray. So this is a priming spray. Does it smell delicious? Hold on. Now this is supposed to be for priming, but I'm just putting it on now. It has a really nice scent. What is that? It's kind of, is it kind of rosy? I can't tell what the smell is. Maybe as I use it, it'll kind of come to me, but super gorgeous packaging too. Oh yes, I got the Nofilter. This is the sheer pressed powder. I got the color Fair in this one. Little cute case. And there we go. I think that will be a good color match. All right, two last things. I got two of the Supernovae Shadows. I really wanted to grab the jelly shadows that they had. There was a couple shades that I had seen swatches of that I thought would be really gorgeous to try out, but they were sold out of those, and the other shades I just wasn't all that interested in, so I decided to just pass on that for right now and grab these instead because these look absolutely stunning. This first one is Firecracker, and then this other one is From the Valley. So I think these are going to be gorgeous. I'm really excited to see if these are beautiful just by themselves, or if they, ooh. Here I'm like, I'm not gonna do a bunch of swatches and wait for that for like the review slash tutorial, but I just have to. Ooh, heyo. So those are actually pretty, like that one, Firecracker for sure, is very pigmented. And then the other one, what are you again? From the Valley is got a lot of color, but it's probably gonna be a little bit more of a topper unless you want it really sheer. I'm super excited to try out all these gorgeous products, and my plan is to do a follow-up review and a tutorial. So make sure and let me know if you're interested in that. Hit the thumbs up button so I know that that's something that you want to see. If you enjoy seeing these unboxing hauls in addition to those follow-up videos, also let me know or give the thumbs up so I know that I'm on the right track for things that you guys are wanting to check out. And have an amazing, amazing day, and I'll see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye.